Quick follow-up here, focusing on changing statuses. Um, and so first in the layout, the first way to change the status would be to actually just change the column this way in the Kanban, the drag and drop. Another way is if the user goes into the details, we see some call to actions up here and some details about the alert here. Now, this drop-down, the user from here can change the status from this. There is also this quick action for dismiss. That is just in the unreviewed. We'll take a look at that in a minute, and then the ability to create an issue around it. In the previous version, the interaction, what we were trying to figure out is how does it work when changes are made on this page, when the user does these actions such as dismiss or status. Does it auto-save, and how do you have to have a save button? How does it work? And so that's what this interaction is focusing on. So let's say that the user determines, after looking at the details here, that they want to change the status or take a closer look at it. Let's say, for example, they want to change it to under review. So let's do that right here. So we see a couple things happened. We had some feedback in the background of that change. So this actual tile is put at the top of the under review section, and it removed the quick dismiss button, and it didn't close the drawer. So, and the reason there is from here, the user may want to take a closer look at the details, or they may want to go ahead and create an issue around it, or just have it open as they may investigate it further by opening another tab or whatnot. So that's the reason why the drawer doesn't close. Okay, so let's close that out and let's take a look at the second one. So here's the case. Let's say the user reviews this and they determine that it's a false positive and they want to dismiss it. So again, the dismiss is only displaying in the unreviewed section because that's the place where dismiss action would be performed the most. So surfacing it out from the status, it's still in there, but since it's kind of like a quick action to be able to just take care of that quickly and knock it out of their workflow, and that would work like this. So the user dismisses it, it removes it from the column, and there's a toast message here just to confirm that that was done, and an undo option. Okay, so let's take a look at this one now, the one that we moved over to under review. Again, they can change the status from here, view an issue, which will go there. There'll be a separate, there's a separate issue for that workflow, and I'll post the designs here. But then let's look at the confirmed column. So this is if, you know, as the status says, is if the alert is confirmed. We open this up and we see a quick action here that's marked as resolved, and that's similar to the dismiss if it's in the confirmed column. That, you know, the quick action from here that would take place, the common one might be to mark it as resolved once it's done, and that'll have a similar feel as the dismiss, where once that's performed, down here we have the undo option and the messaging to confirm that it's done. So yeah, just any thoughts there on that workflow, how the status is changed, if it's necessary to have those quick actions, if you think those are beneficial. Those are kind of the questions there. And yeah, thank you.